Good morning, everyone. This is Tom from Tom and Ella Journal, and this morning I have some bacon cooking. That smells good. I've got some pancakes mixed up, and I have a couple of eggs waiting to go in. So, you want to guess what we're having for breakfast? Yeah. Pancakes, bacon, eggs, and forgot something very important. Some nice big slices of homegrown tomatoes. I'll be cutting that into wedges. It's raining. It's been raining. Oh, this is some thirsty ground here. All right. Well, back to cooking. Okay, Ella's bacon was taken out early because she doesn't like it as crispy as I do. She says she likes it crispy, she doesn't like it burnt on the sides. So I am not exactly sure how to do that, so it's always a struggle for me to get it right for her. All right, now I have all of this wonderful bacon grease in here. And bacon chunks, which I will scrape up. Okay, now that I've accomplished that, I have found that instead of making half a dozen small pancakes, I make one big pancake, cut it in half. All right, there we go. All right, I believe it's probably time to flip the pancake. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, notice the grill marks on it from up here. Oh well. And while you weren't watching, I cut the tomato into 8 nice wedges. So very soon I will get this plated up and we'll have breakfast. Put the butter on the table. Oh, sorry. I probably moved that a little fast, made you dizzy, didn't I? I apologize. All right, that's my bacon. That's Ella's bacon. And these little crispy chunks
is his mouth.
Or mine to eat. Come on. Okay. I like the eggs over easy or over medium, so it doesn't take long. Because basically old George cooks on the top and the bottom. And I'll put my paper towel that I use to soak up the grease from the bacon. Put it in there just to soak that up. Unplug, turn off. And we're ready to go to the table. Ella's got her coffee poured and we're ready just to say our blessing and then eat. If you have enjoyed having breakfast with us, please hit the like button and share. Thank you for joining us for breakfast. Scan this barcode to take you to our website.